the multi-tenancy support. So yeah, I think that's kind of self-explanatory, but I think it could be interesting for some of you different use cases.
Yes, there isn't much information about multi-tenancy, or how we call it, namespace support, out yet, because this feature is still very in its very early stages, and it wouldn't be advised to run serious production loads with it, but it allows we support the ACL feature, ACL security, and we introduced additional options to have separate namespaces for users, which means that they can use the data store in an isolated environment, and a subset of user will only see a subset of keys, but the names can overlap. So we can have one key with the same name, and different users will see different values. It is like likewise to running multiple Dragonflies, but without of the complexity of managing multiple instances. And instead, you can just separate those logical parts in the ACL config file.
Right, right. Yeah, sounds great. I kind of can imagine because a single Dragonfly instance is like super powerful if you have like a powerful multi-core machine. So maybe you have like different business units under the organization, right? So building different microservices, stuff like that. You can use the same Dragonfly, the bigger instance, but with different namespaces. Yeah, and so you don't have like key collisions and stuff between different business units. But as Lutz said, this is still very early. So if you're interested, you can try it, but be caution, be very careful. If you do production, we don't recommend that yet, but maybe in a future release for sure.